Hi guys, Celai here and back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what goes in, well, my model bag. Well, anyway guys, so I feel kind of like a Starbucks holiday cup right now. Anyway guys, you guys can get this shirt at thechattychick.com. We'll make sure to put the link in the bio. Alright, let's get started. Number 1, clothing. So for me, LA is about a 6-hour drive away from us. So my mom would pack my clothes. But if I have an audition in San Francisco, I would just wear my clothes there. But the one thing that I always pack is neutral undergarments. Okay, so sometimes you would have an audition and you have to do a fitting. And then you'd have to do some test shots. But what you never would want to happen is have some white or patterned undergarments show through your outfit. So what you would always do is to wear or bring nude colored undergarments. So what's in my bag? So I have a, black bra, just because. And I also have a black tank top, just in case. And I also have some boy shorts. I know I did say nude, but the regular nude does not disappear like, dark colors or black would. So I just use darker colors. So I would recommend boy shorts because, with regular underwear, they would leave that weird, panty line. But be careful with, getting boy shorts because some of them might have like a slit or they might have like a little bow on the side. And, fun fact, on one of my runway shows, I had like boy shorts with, bows on them. And I thought that, the outfit was not going to show up because, it was baggy. But, on the side profile, you could definitely see it. And it was very embarrassing. But just know I'll never do it again. Number 2, body stuff. So, 1, you'd want to have some lotion. Okay, so you just never want to find out that you're going to a model casting and you have to do a fitting and, your ass, you just know it's happened to me a lot of times. But, now that I know to bring lotion and put it on, now I feel like I'm doing good. But one thing that you want to make sure you do is have clear deodorant. Not, white, but, clearly deodorant. This is just an example. But make sure that you don't use like white deodorant, especially for, runway, because they do not want it to transfer onto the garment because, it's going to take a lot of money for them to wash it. And for runway, never wear perfume for a casting or a fitting. Number 3, face stuff. All right, so what's in the bag? So, you want to make sure that you always bring your makeup. This has literally everything in it. Makeup, that's the same thing. Foundation, mascara, concealer, blush. But make sure you always bring your foundation, especially for, you brown girls. Because, they may not always have your makeup shade. So, make sure you always bring that. Next is to always have some lip balm because, sometimes your lips can be quite crusty. The next thing that you would want to have is, makeup wipes. So if you have a blemish, you may just put some foundation on it. But, with our long drive home, I do not want to have it on my face while I'm asleep. So I will just get a makeup wipe and, just wipe it off and that'll be it. So the next Okay, so the next thing is toothpaste or mouthwash because, if I have a long drive, especially to LA, because as I said, it's like 6 hours, my breath would be smelling real hot. So I just got to make sure that I bring either a toothbrush and toothpaste or mouthwash. Either way, you just got to make sure that your breath is fresh by the time you walk into that casting. So number 4, hair stuff. Okay, so I would always bring, my hair utensils, like my black people brush, which we call it, and our rat tail comb. Next, we would have my oil, because, with me taking down my hair, it always requires oil. Then we'd also have some hair butter because if I need to pull my hair back into a ponytail, then I'll be able to use it. And next, some bobby pins, because you know if they need to use it to pin my hair up, then you know I'll just use it. Then I would have so one for headband and hair ties. Okay. Then I would have a curling iron. I know, but sometimes if my hair is not defined anymore, especially if you know it gets a little frizzy, then you know we just whip this out and you know just redefine some of my curls. Then we'd have my puff cup, you know, to put my hair in a ponytail if you don't want to use, you know, a ponytail holder. But, you know, I never ever leave the house without my puff cuff. But I'll just show you guys what's inside. Okay. So, you know, I have all of the sized puff cuffs, you know, this one. And then I usually have these two just in case, you know, I got to do some space buns. And then I have the smaller ones for, I don't know. And number 5, miscellaneous must-haves. So for one, you want to have, you know, some pain meds just in case you get a headache. Then you'd want some, you know, Downy because, you know, sometimes I would have my clothes packed and they get a little wrinkly. So, you know, just spray this and they won't be. Next, I would have, you know, a first aid kit. You know, this basically has everything in it, you know, but especially if we're driving 6 hours, who knows what's going to happen. Next, we also have some band-aids because, you know, me with my clumsy self, I might just fall. Also, hold on. Next, you want to have some allergy medicine, you know, Zyrtec, and some calamine lotion because, you know, fun fact, while I was in Texas, I got like a whole bunch of bug bites right before show. So, you know, we had to go to the store and get some of this just, you know, the bumps could, you know, calm down. And then, last, and some other things, you want to have some wet wipes, or wet ones, and some hand sanitizer, because, you know, you gotta be hand sanitary. And, you know, just to be safe, just always gotta have some safety pins. And for teen girls, make sure you bring your feminine products because you never want to get caught without them. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what you put in your model bag, and make sure to go and check out thechattychick.com to see some of my new shirts. Alright, bye guys!